on, chitter.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Buck's gonna win his own challenge?
Oh, wow.
Buck's gonna win his own challenge.
Oh, wow. Here it comes. This is gonna be a hog. No, it's not. It's a big...
It's a big girl, though.
Oh, yay. Oh, Jerry, yay. Whoa. It's bigger than I thought.
Oh, yeah.
Holy smokes.
What the buck is up? We'll be having a bucking outrageous day. So today, back on the Detroit River.
Jerry, good.
Alright, what am I going to use today? I don't know. Water clarity is pretty nice, but... Ooh. Alright. I think I found my winner. What do you guys think? I'm going to use the Silver Fox today. That bright orange right there with a little bit of chrome in the back. Let's give it a shot. I don't know. That's a nice little arsenal there. So, let's get fishing.
What an ugly cast. Thank you, brother. I felt that pop. I had a hook that set so quick. I'm missing fish all day. It's just a little one. It's just a little one, bro. Joy Fong! Joy Fong!
Assistance.
Oh, finally, man. Let me get this out of the net. Oh, walleye. Finally.
Finally.
Almost lost him, too. His mouth is all tore up.
Are you gonna let that go?
No, I'll give it to you. All right, first fish of the day. On a white haze there. Hey, nice little eater here. That's the ones that you want to eat, though. Here you go, bro.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, finally.
All dinks on my line.
Yes. I feel complete now. Oh. Well, that's Silky Steve. See it from anywhere.
Bright, eh?
Hey, really bright.
Yeah.
There it is. There it is. There it is. That's a hog. That's a hog.
That's one I just caught.
Oh wow. Yeah. Oh. Oh. This is a nice one, bro. This is a nice one. This is a nice one.
Come on, chitter.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. Buck's gonna win his own challenge?
Oh wow.
Buck's gonna win his own challenge.
Oh wow, here it comes. This is gonna be a hog. No, it's not. It's a big.
It's a big girl though.
Oh, yay! Oh, Jerry, yay! Whoa, it's bigger than I thought.
Oh yeah.
Holy smokes!
Nice catch.
All right, yeah, on a Silky Steve.
Crawling on forever.
2 minutes of Silky Steve.
Bro, I had
Wow.
and a Jerry Jake.
Yeah, there it is, boys.
Get the measuring board.
Yeah, get that measuring board. That's a long one.
It's just the right drift that brings the riz and nice catch, B.
Wow.
It is nice.
All right, we're gonna take a measurement on this. Caught that on the Silky Steve. Just made this like what, 3 days ago?
That's a long one. I say 26.
You think so?
Yeah.
If I can get this out of his mouth.
26.
Come on. All right. Got that board going right now. Let's find out how long this is. I'm gonna say like 23.
I'm guessing 26.
Oh!
A little bit over 24. 25.
25.
25. I was close.
All right, there you guys go. All right, guys. So there you go. There's my 25-inch walleye right there. I just caught that on the Silky Steve. You know that produced very, very well with that chartreuse and silver. But check that out. Isn't that a beauty fish? It's roughly about 5 pounds. So I'm gonna let this thing get donated because it's actually a good size eater. Here you go. All right, Rob. Is it? Looks like it's gonna be a good one, bro.
It's on that chartreuse.
We got Big D over here.
Buck Shiner. Jer Bear Jigs.
Yeah. Oh, this is awesome.
Woo!
Woo! There you go, brother. There we go.
That's a nice little fish.
Yeah.
Jerry, one more cast.
That's beautiful. Look at it. It's all gold.
It's a nice clean fish, man.
Oh yeah. You can eat it.
Hit hard too. No, someone will though. I'll give it to someone here.
All right.
Throw it on my stringer for now. I don't know. Fuck, or throw it on Pete. Put it on Pete's stringer. Or
Yeah.
give it to Rob. Give it to Rob. Rob, you want
There
it?
you go. Ta-da! That's how we do it here. Much love, G. He's giving that fish away. He's gonna take one last look at it before he cherishes it.
Boom, baby.
Boom, baby. All right, let's continue fishing.
Come on.
All right, we got Jer Bear on now.
Hells yeah.
Gerber.
That's it.
Come on. Oh, that's a big head shakes.
Come on, buddy.
Here we
She
go.
don't want to come up. She don't want to come up.
Okay, it's okay. Take your time. You got it. Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one. Nice, Jerry. Good.
Number's 5.
Woo!
5 for 6.
Oh, she's got a little bit of a
That's all right.
growth going.
That's okay.
What is it, a skin tag?
Yeah.
that's
It's
nothing.
like little tumas.
Little
tumas.
It's not a tuma.
It's not a tuma.
Is it a tuma?
Oh, it's pissing everywhere.
Oh,
she's
it's egging
egging.
everywhere.
She's a chinner.
Yeah.
God, she don't want to come out.
All right, Jerry, take a pose, brother. So we're ending with another one on the day here with the Jer Bear jig there. What color you got it on?
I have it on firecracker or on a gold, disco gold.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, disco
All right.
gold.
All right. There you
A lot
go.
of fucking shit get blown through. Water.
East wind. The wind shifted. See, it's a light east wind right now. During the week, it's supposed to be a heavy east wind, so it's gonna like.
Well, it came by heavy too after that big
Yeah.
wave came by.
Yeah.
That probably helped it a lot. One more before.
There it is. First cast back again, eh? Took a little short break there. Oh, there's another one for your stringer if it gets there, Rob. I gotta fight these easy because I only got 6 pound tests. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, dude. Oh.
Oh.
That's a decent one. It's decent. Thank you. Oh man, that's a nice fish. All right.
Yeah, it is.
All right. On the Silky Steve still. Oh.
On a Silky Steve.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, Silky Steve, bro. Awesome. There you guys go. Thank you, bro. What do you think that is? I say like 20 inches or so. Oh, let me hold on. I'll flip this around so you can see everything.
Yes, sir.
Like that. There you go. Thank you, brother.
No problem.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, D. I appreciate it.
No problem, brother.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, Dan, you take some nice pictures, bro. Oh yeah.
There you go, man.
All right.
It over to you.
So there you go. That's another fish on the day there. We're actually starting to slay after all those cold conditions. It was really, really tough. A lot of people had a tough time during the week. And this is the end of the weekend. And we're starting to get them again. So, oh, that was tattoo. No. No. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. There you go.
Nice
20
fish.
incher. Rob,
Job, V.
that's for
Thank
you,
you, sir.
bro. Donation.
All right.
Enjoy.
Going right to the frying pan, brother.
Yeah, good meal.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Anytime, brother.
You know me, no Mike? Yeah.
I don't know what the hell happened to Mike today.
I don't know.
No, I didn't see Mike all day today.
Yeah. Yeah.
How long you sticking around for, V?
Huh?
How long you sticking around for?
I don't know. Why am I fish all day?
I might go home because he's using
Yeah.
the trigger. If he does, he's just going to give it to you before he leaves. If he's
All right.
good. I'm going to go home, help my kid with some homework,
Okay.
and eat, and then come back probably.
Yeah. This be like the fourth one that bit. The fifth one got landed because the one that got snagged.
Yeah.
This one's just a little one though. Just a little one.
Oh, he's a feisty one. Feisty one.
Oh.
Like Kenny versus
Yeah, Kenny versus Penny. Yeah, Kenny versus. Did you ever see that show, Jerry?
Yeah. Kenny versus Penny.
Yeah. Right, Silky Steve is still working.
Yeah.
The littlest one ever. That's number 4 on the day. Ah, feisty little fellow though.
Yeah.
Boo, you want this?
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm so tough, so tough.
That's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry. Leprechaun. Yeah, I can't wait to catch that fish later on time. We're gonna make it after all. Standing on that rock like Bruce Lee. Ta-da! Oh, he's kicking away. Yeah, bye-bye. Arnold, bro.
Fuego.
That is fuego, bro. Holy cow,
Caliente,
that's such a
buddy.
beast.
Look at it inside the mouth.
Oh, man.
He swallowed it.
Oh, that's a gingerbread jig, really deep, eh?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, yeah. All right. You want to weigh it?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, here you go. You take care of that.
Hold on.
It's already a 0? Yeah. I'm going to say 6'4". 6'7".
6'7",
6'7". All right.
Brought the fire truck.
Damn.
Oh, you did that for real, eh?
Oh shit! Didn't even hit the bottom yet. What the hell?
Nice.
Oh my god! Didn't even hit the bottom yet.
That's a nice fish. Take your time. That's a nice fish, man.
I was still looking for the bottom.
You were blinded by the light there for a second.
That was weird.
By the light.
That was a weird fish.
Dude, he followed it. He must have been suspended and followed it down. Followed it right down.
I was still trying to find the bottom, and also it was just like boom. I was like, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's probably only like a 2-pounder, but it's feisty. Where is she?
That's a nice little ear.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Silky Steve still. Oh, it's got a big tumor on its face. Right there, look at that. You see it? Right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Got a couple over here too.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's rubbing off the rocks. That's what it's doing. Definitely a male, though. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Boo, you want it? No? Phil, you want it? Yeah, here, bro. Yeah, all right, bro. So there you guys go. That was on that Silky Steve. Roughly about 18 inches or so. A few rub marks that he was rubbing on the stones on the bottom. That's okay. Into the bucket. Thank you, Phil. Yeah, that was weird, man. I was sitting there just trying to find the bottom, and it's just like, blue. I was like, what the hell is this?
That extra little jig in the air.
Yeah. All right, all right.
There you go.
Yeah, yeah, there you go. Bro, seriously?
I know you got the munchies.
I always got the much I was thinking about the food. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you. Man, getting fed on the shoreline too? This is gonna be good.
All right.
It's gonna be good as hell.
All right, bye.
What kind of donuts do you guys like? All right. It was earlier. Jerry caught them all. Jerry caught them all.
Yeah, buddy.
Jerry caught them all. Oh. As soon as we were saying, I felt that pop. As soon as, oh, it's skating.
This walleye is brought to you by Solomon.
Is it on someone's line? Am I riding somebody? No, it's coming in. Whoa, what is it?
No, it's a walleye. He Shawn Michaeled it.
Okay.
He Shawn Michaeled it.
Oh, it's a little one.
Yeah. Nice catch, bro.
All right, finally.
I think I'm cute. I know I'm sexy.
Thank you.
What color?
Silky Steve.
It's still, eh?
Yeah. Silky Steve. Oh, yeah, okay, okay. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Hey. Shit, stop it. Behave.
you actually stopped.
Right.
All right. Yeah. Well, there you go. So that worked there. Nice little chartreuse bait there. Nice little eater. These are the ones that most people want to eat. You know when you fry them and they start to curl? Those ones taste the best. Don't you think so? Yeah. When you fry it and then the meat starts to curl? Bro. Fuego. Alright, this is going to I thought it was. Alright guys, gonna end my day there. You know, fished the whole entire day. That took a long time. It was off and on. Only one person actually super slayed. Don't be looking around. Anyways, Jerry had him get his limit. So did I. You know, I just donated my fish. Just calling it quits right now. You know, might just do a little bit of fishing for fun. catch and release. That's about it. But all my fish today were caught in 2 colors. You know, I started off with the silver fox, and it was unlucky for me. Why is that? I don't know. But I continued on, and I caught with the white haze. You know, it started producing. And as the water started clearing and progressing in the afternoon, started to use the Silky Steve. And that turned everything on. So if you guys like that, you know, I'll catch you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Jerry Bro Jigs. You guys know about that. Anyways, win that 10 pounder.